With more than 40 years' experience in the railway industry, RS Clare rail lubricants are used throughout the world on national train networks, metros, and underground systems. Our rail industry customers tell us that their key drivers are safety, performance, cost-effectiveness, and biodegradability. Our response is to develop products that meet these challenges and significantly reduce the friction between train wheels and curved rails. For our customers, this means extending the lifetime of their assets and reducing overall operating costs while minimizing passenger disruption due to track replacements. Trackside lubricators used throughout the UK rail network and in other countries are a proven way of delivering grease to the gauge face ahead of curves. Such equipment can be mechanical, but is increasingly electric, powered by mains or solar energy. Respected track engineers from the UK rail network who operate over 14,000 kilometres of track have calculated that the cost of re-railing is £250 per metre. Effective lubrication can increase the life of the rails by 5 times and in some cases even up to 10 times. Compare re-railing costs with gauge face lubrication costs of £5 per metre per year, and the immediate financial benefits are clear. Passing trains activate the pumping mechanism, and grease is pumped to the side of the rail in front of a curve. The grease is picked up by the train wheel and carried down the track through the curve, coating the gauge face with a lubricating film. RS Clare's rail lubricants are reported to carry down up to 8 kilometres and can protect a series of several bends from a single lubricator. We also have a wide range of specialist lubricants that have been proven for years in the rail industry. In specific applications, these include switch plate lubricants, fish plate oils and lubricants for signalling equipment. Complementing the range are compact, disposable application products such as jumbo lubers and kits for switch protection and noise reduction. The key to good grease performance is engineering it to the specific challenges it will encounter. Temperature range, humidity, environmental protection, load carrying requirement, and maintenance intervals are all considered critical factors by our R&D team. As a technology leader in biodegradable greases, we have many products that comply with the world's strictest environmental regulations, providing an extra safeguard against pollution. RS Clare's products are proven to reduce corrective maintenance and reduce downtime. This, in turn, provides train and track operators with significant cost reductions. Supporting this range of products is a global network of partners, agents and distributors, ensuring our customers receive the best levels of support. Call us now to see how RS Clare's rail lubricants can make a real difference to your operations.